So today I thought I would show you what I get up to on an average day as a dog walker and as a CFer. You ready? I'm ready. Let's go.
I wake up in the morning, it's the same thing going through my head. I wake up in the morning, it's the same thing going around.
And snooze. I wake up in the morning to an alarm. Not just one of them, but 5. That's right, 5. Waking up is usually the second mission. The first is snoozing the alarms. After the 5th alarm, I get up excited to start my day. Sarcasm! I think it's safe to say that I am not a morning person. So my morning usually starts by making a decent cup of tea. So excited. Making breakfast is not usually difficult because there's never much choice. But before commencing with breakfast, I begin the drug-taking sesh. The good kind, of course. Don't do drugs, kids! Some people take their pills all in one, but me? I'm a one at a time kind of girl. The old Creon 10,000. I'll take 2. Now, before actually eating any breakfast, I like to think of the days of eating Cocoa Pops and Crunchy Nut Cornflakes, which is not recommended because they have a high GI, meaning that they will cause my blood sugars to drop within the first few hours after eating. Damn you, hypoglycemia. Usually it is. Munch, munch, munch. Then I go back upstairs into the bathroom, then shower, wash hair, and do the Foster inhaler before I brush my teeth. It is highly recommended to take the Foster inhaler before brushing the teeth because a common side effect is thrush in the mouth. And no one wants that. Now, because I walk dogs for a living, I can wear tatty old clothes. That'll do. Then just simply dry the hair like so. L'Oreal, because you're worth it. Chuck up the hair. Then I just do some quick and easy makeup. A little bit for me, a little bit for you. Ta-da! Now, to try and help ease the pressure of sinusitis, I take 2 nasal sprays. This one is to help rinse out my nostrils, and this one is a medication to help reduce inflammation in the nasal passages. Then I go back downstairs and do my nebulizer. Now, I do alternate months between Promixin and Toby Podhaler, but this month I'm on Promixin. Now, to wash my eye neb, I use a drop of fairy liquid, or more like the whole bloody bottle here, Kate, calm down, and then fill it up with filtered water. Then pack it all together and plop it in the water. Give it a bit of a shake. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. And shake off any excess water and leave to dry. Clean the top. Then I do another nebulizer called DNAs, or Palmazine if you like, which helps to thin the mucus. Lovely stuff. I usually have to wait between 30 minutes and an hour for it to actually kick in, so this is why I will always do it before I go out dog walking, because exercise or physio obviously helps to loosen all of that lovely mucus. Hashtag CF life. Wash, shake and dry. Now, it's around this time that I usually start to experience a hypo. My blood sugars drop dramatically and I start feeling weak, shaky, dizzy and sweaty. Sweaty Betty! First, I need to ascertain whether my blood sugars are actually low. For me, anything below 4 is considered a hypo. The quickest way to raise my blood sugars is to scoff a load of jelly babies. That's the dramatic version. Normally I'd be able to counteract it by having one of these. Damn you, hypoglycemia. Before I go to work, I like to take a moment to say some words of wisdom. I see pride. I see power. I
see a badass mother who won't take no crap off of nobody. Once again!
I don't know. Then it's time to go to work. So, for my job as a dog walker, I do a lot of driving, which usually goes something like this. Are you gonna indicate, mate? No. Indicate! Shut up. I hate cyclists, I hate... Come on mate, hurry up. Why are we doing 40 and a 60? Don't make sense, love. What is wrong with people's indicators? That's chicken oriental, that is. Stay where you are, mister. Don't pull out in front of me. Oh, hell no. And get right up your Jaffa cake now. As well as dog walking, I also do garden visits.
Silverware heading to the Arsenal trophy cabinet.
Ready, steady, go. Next. Alright mate, I need to take up most of the road. Taking a chance on something that lasts, I don't know what I... Jesus Christ, what the hell is that? Just kids screaming, that's fine. Singing's not that bad, mate. Oh, f off cyclists. I hate cyclists. Just because you've got a BMW, don't make you a good driver. Come on mate, why are we doing 20 in a 30? I've got places to be, I've got dogs to walk, poo to pick up. Clear! 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 Alright mate, just because you've got an Audi, don't make you a good driver. Sorry, do you know how to drive? Use your indicators! What's wrong with people? Some people will call this road rage. I would call it road critique. Jesus Christ, what was that? Get out the road, you stupid pigeon! Why are pigeons so stupid? Get out the road! Get out the road, Mr. Folder! Whoa! Oh my god! You stupid van! Just because you got a van, don't mean that you're a good driver, mate. You ready to do this, guys? You ready for walkies? Let's do this. Day is done, I change into some comfy clothes, absolutely cream crackered. Now here I like to reminisce about all the things that have happened and all the things that I should be doing. So I just quickly checked Twitter for 1 hour. How did that happen? Feeling guilty, I then do my third nebulizer of the day, which is the hypertonic saline. But to prevent any wheeziness or tight-chestedness, I take a couple of puffs of the Ventolin inhaler to open up my airways. Hypertonic saline tastes extremely salty. And again, it's supposed to loosen up the mucus in the lungs. But instead of waiting for an hour, I can do physio straight away, which is brilliant. Wash. Shake. And dry. Once a week I boil up all of my nebulizers just to give it that extra clean. For physio I will either do the aerobica, which is a device that vibrates the lungs and the airways and will hopefully shift some of that lovely mucus. I clean the aerobica with warm soapy water and once again I give it a good old shake. That's not part of the script. Other times it will be the treadmill. I ain't got stamina. Now I always try and find time to chat to my best mate about the real serious issues of the day. Yeah, but what do you think about all of these Brexit negotiations? I mean, what do you think Theresa May should do? Fair comment. It's at this point in the day where I start to think about dinner. Pasta? What are you doing? I am cooking you dinner. Pasta? Of course, what else? Pasta, chicken, celery, courgettes, peppers, sweet corn, carrots. Basically, a chef. You can cook more than pasta? Bon appetit, mademoiselle. And you speak French too? Impressive. See? Let's get your crayons. Grazie. Bottoms up. Chin chin. After dinner, I like to make up for the time I wasted earlier and do something that is actually productive. Like writing a bit of my book, or writing a blog post. Lol, you haven't posted in months, Kate. Or editing a video. Or checking social media. Damn you, Facebook videos. Concentrate, Kate. Concentrate, back to work, come on. Ooh, someone's just started an Instagram live. Ooh, a DM from someone selling weight loss products. Cool. Oh, procrastination. Then it's back to the final nebulized drug of the day. Da, 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 da. Fun, fun, fun. Sarcasm. Then I make up the next batch of Promixin for tomorrow. Then it's back upstairs into the bathroom. Boss Air inhaler, brush teeth. Then it's pajama time. Yahoo! Last lot of nasal sprays. Then I just take off my makeup. Then I get into bed and set 5 alarms ready for the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sleep. Or just check my emails once more. And refresh Twitter. Watch everyone's Instagram stories. Ooh, I haven't been on Pinterest today. Buckle my shoe and call me Barry. How did it get to 2 a.m? Ah well, at least I know 10 useful tips on garlic, 5 hacks to an organised car, and the best way to save $50,000 a month. Cool. It wouldn't be a Kate Eveling video if it wasn't cringeworthy. Am I right? That being said, if you enjoyed this video, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And subscribe if you want it, because I make new videos every single Wednesday. And I will see you in the next one.